Wait. Now. Okay, Jim and I are so proud of all the work we've done this weekend. As you can see, we have drywall on the ceilings, and we've gotten all the kitchen area, the dining area, the living room area, and the bedroom, the master bedroom, and this is in the mother-in-law apartment, and the hallway completed. So while it looks really raw and rough, the main stuff is up, and all we have left now to do is the master bedroom walk-in closet, the bathroom here, and then over here we've got this closet to put the drywall in the ceiling. And then we've got to build a scaffolding over these stairs, which are, you know, we got to be careful here. And we've got to put the drywall for the ceiling up here. And we're going to try to get the drywall on the walls and the ceiling at the same time after we build the scaffolding. And then we will be able to call in the inspector for the upstairs insulation after we blow it in. So we're getting there fast, or fast enough. We're so excited.